Hey y'all, welcome back to Fate Family and Farm Life. So tonight I'm cooking Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. So I'm kind of excited to do this recipe. I found it on TikTok, and if I can, I'll link it down below, but I'm not real good at that stuff, so I'm just gonna go through what I know as far as the TikTok goes. I do have it saved on my phone so that I can look at it while I'm cooking, and I'm gonna show you what you'll need first. So we got this stir fry meat. It calls for shredded ribeye, but I figured this would work just the same. And then I've gotten some egg roll wraps. I've never heard of these, but we're gonna try it. And then I left my cheese in the fridge. Where is my cheese? There it is. And you're gonna need some sliced provolone, and that gives you that good cheese. What is it called? Like a cheese stretch, I guess is what it is. And then you're gonna need a few spices. You're gonna need onion powder or onion flakes, or let me see. I have minced onions, so I'm gonna use those. I don't like big onions and I don't like bell peppers, but I will flavor it with some garlic pepper also. Yes, garlic pepper, not garlic salt. It is garlic with pepper mixed in. And you can, I think I got this at the Dollar Tree, but it tastes really good. So let's get started. All right. Okay, y'all. So let me start this TikTok to see exactly. I have a lot of TikToks saved on my stuff. Let me find it. Okay, where are you, TikTok? It's been a while since I saved it, so. La-da-da-da. Oh, here it is. Okay. See that cheese stretch? Ooh, yeah. Okay.
I'm just curious.
So it looks like we just fry up this meat. And see, these are really thinly sliced. They are very thin because this is like stir fry meat. So it's gonna come out probably about like the same thing as the shredded ribeye. So I'm just gonna put this in here and scramble it. Excuse the noise in the background. Shannon is watching Longmire, which seems to be pretty good so far. But I'm just going to pull these apart, these pieces. I'm going to turn this on a medium heat and finish pulling all this apart because I don't want them to stick together. So, and if this voiceover, I mean, if this is too loud and stuff, I'll just voice over it. But if not, then you'll be hearing my actual voice right now as far as this video goes. If you are not subscribed, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. I'm trying my best to hit over 1,000 subscribers this year, which I know to some that is very little because it's only like 550 more subscribers needed. But for me, it's a huge deal, y'all. And I would absolutely love for y'all to support me and do what I like doing, which is cooking and cleaning. And I'm gonna go wash my hands now. So I have washed my hands and I'm gonna let these cook up. I'm gonna turn that on up a little bit and I'm gonna start adding in my ingredients, well, my spices. So I'm gonna do some minced onions on here. Yummy. Okay. And then some garlic pepper. And I'm not going to put up a lot because I don't want it to be too salty.
Never really jingled the idea.
I'm going to add in some oil
She never said nothing about me.
to
Why would she tell
this.
something like that? I knew she grew up in a religious house. I learned her to quote chapter and verse by heart.
This shouldn't take too long to cook up because it's so thin. But in my opinion, this is kind of a little bit wider than I would like. So if I actually had a knife out and about, I would cut this into smaller strips, but I can't right now because we are still packed up. And we'll continue to be packed up for a while. So, it smells a little different. I'm not sure how I feel about the smell. It smells a little different. We're going to say different. It's not what I'm used to smelling. It's, I don't know. It's not bad. Like, the meat is not old or anything. We just bought it today. But I don't know what that smell is. It's funky. Let's see. We're going to put some more garlic on it. Maybe it's the oil. Maybe it's the meat. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Smells different. I think it's the meat. It's just different. It says it's stir fry meat, but I just don't know. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on here. Salt and regular pepper. Not garlic pepper, just regular. Yeah, I love pepper. So good. I think I'm going to take these out of here and then cut them down into strips smaller than this and then throw them back in. So pause while I do that. Okay, y'all are my YouTube family and I'm going to tell you how I cut this down. I cut it down with a razor blade just so I can get this fine shredded meat. But it worked out pretty good. Okay, so while the meat is continuing to cook after I've shredded it, I'm gonna go ahead and get the egg rolls ready for the meat. Okay. Y'all, I would recommend putting less meat in these than I did, because whenever I went to wrap these, some of them were ripping, and it was because there was too much meat on the inside of them. Y'all, another thing I would recommend is not deep frying these. They had too much grease in them. So if I were you, I would air fry them. I would have air fried mine, but I didn't have my air fryer with me. So it's up to you, but there was a lot of grease. And it wasn't the meat that was greasy. It was the oil from where I was cooking these in the oil. I don't like oil that much.
There was one little thing. I swear.
You guys have to keep it secret. But I need to know. Did anybody else know about that incident? Say TJ.
Okay, y'all. So I'm going to clean up that little pot and put my oil in it, and then we're going to deep fry these. I would air fry them if my air fryer was here, but it's not. It's at the old house. So we're doing with what we have.
Anybody from the East Coast? Do what I do. I'm really excited.
And the moment we've all been waiting for, the cheese stretch. Just watch this. It's fabulous. Oh yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye y'all.